Welcome to our comprehensive guide which demonstrates how to repair cracks and leaks in polypropylene and polyethylene pipes. In this video, we'll be using Belzona 1221 Super E-Metal, our fast-curing repair composite, perfect for emergencies, and Belzona 9341, a cross-woven reinforcement tape. Together, these components form a reinforced composite wrap which will repair your crack or leak for the long term. First, to ensure a clean surface, use Belzona 9111 Cleaner Degreaser to remove dirt, grease, and any surface contaminants. Next, mark off the repair area with tape to ensure a precise application. Now, use a handheld surface preparation tool to roughen the repair area. Measure out a length of Belzona 9341 reinforcement tape, at least twice the pipe circumference, and place it to one side. Now it's time to mix the Belzona 1221 Super E-Metal. Using the straight edge of a spatula, move the product to the bottom of the base and solidifier sachets. Then cut the ends of the sachets open as close as possible to the seal. Using the spatula tool again, squeeze all of the product out of both sachets onto the Belzona working surface. Mix the two components thoroughly using figure-of-8 motions until a uniform color free of any streakiness is achieved. Using a brush, work Belzona 1221 Super E-Metal into the repair area, pressing firmly to remove entrapped air and ensure maximum contact with the surface. Next, spread the Belzona 1221 Super E-Metal onto the reinforcement tape. Incorporating this flexible polyester sheet into the repair provides additional strength to the pipe. Wrap the tape firmly around the pipe until the Belzona 1221 Super E-Metal product is forced through to the outer surface. Using an applicator, apply another layer of Belzona 1221 to fully incorporate the reinforcement tape. Then use the tool to smooth out the product to achieve the desired finish. Carefully remove the masking tape and allow the product to fully cure. The application is now complete. By following these steps, you can effectively address cracks and leaks in polypropylene and polyethylene pipes using Belzona 1221 Super E-Metal, ensuring long-lasting protection for your pipes. Consult your local Belzona distributor to discuss the Belzona materials that best fit your service conditions.